is this stupid boy? Eh? Where is this stupid boy? Emeka!
Mommy, what's the problem?
Who is your mommy? Let me warn you. For the last time, for the records, I am not your mother. I am not your mother. I'm not that your useless, dirty, ugly woman. Don't call me your mother again. Now go and get me juice. Make it chill. I want chill, cold one.
Wait. Is that why you called me? Because you want juice?
I don't understand. What are you in this house? Eh? Tell me, answer me.
Ma, for the record, I am your son-in-law, not your houseboy.
Hey. Son-in-law. Eh? Like this. You are just deceiving yourself. Son-in-law. The son-in-law. Son-in-law, my foot. Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're following a woman up and down, living in a woman's house. Come on, go and get me juice. Don't look like I will draw it for you, son-in-law. Get out!
What's going on here?
I don't know. See me, oh. Is it not this stupid? I don't know whether it's a houseboy or a houseman that you brought to this house. Only to go and get me juice to drink. He's here exchanging words with me. Eh? He's here exchanging words with me. Even remaining for him to fight me, your mother. Hey, my son. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
Benita, you came with a visitor. Welcome.
Mom, this is Julius, my boyfriend. Yes, my mom.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mom.
Welcome, my son-in-law. Hi, Julius, a very nice name.
We have to go in now, okay?
Take him inside. Take him inside. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Go around there. Oh. Oh. You see a tall man. Eh? Look at the tough. You're short in gym. You are disturbing my daughter, father. Go and see. We'll check whether they need something upstairs and get me my juice. Are you still there? Go before I will use this thing and stone your head. Go, get out. You serve them.
I love her regardless of...
What is going on here? What is going on here?
Good afternoon.
Mommy,
have I not warned you before not to call me mommy? Do I look like your mommy, Emeka? Stop calling me your mother. I'm not your miserable mother. Eh? This... My daughter's expensive drink. So you have the guts to bring out my daughter's expensive drink and offer to your friend? This miserable looking haggard thing. Okay, I am talking. Here, still drinking. You're drinking. Eh?
What kind of rubbish is this?
Hey, shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth. Look at you. You came to my daughter's house and then they offer you drink here. You are drinking a space.
Mom, why are you embarrassing me like this? What's the...
Embarrassing you when you cannot afford anything like... See, by the time I will come out here, this one, you get out from this compound now. And these chairs you brought out here, you return them inside. Best of the same feathers. Lazy men, you sit at home to drink.
Hello, ma.
Take me to Benedicta. Once I'm done, you return me back to Obiora Crescent.
All right.
Hello?
Time for your medicine.
No, I don't want to drink.
Cherish. Cherish, you have to drink your medicine. Hmm? You have to.
I don't want to drink.
Mama, don't you want to get better from mommy?
I don't want to drink.
I know. Okay, don't worry. Mommy will buy you biscuits. Hmm? Is that okay? So will you drink your medicine now? Okay. God. Ask you, Father. Please heal my child. Heavenly Father, please heal my child.
Thank you, ma. Ma, there's extra 1,000 here.
Yeah, 1,000 is for your patients. You're a nice man.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
Hello? Yeah, I'm on my way. Yeah. Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. Thank you. How is she? Hey, baby. Babe, she's hot. Hey. Baby, you're going to be fine, okay? Trust me. Nothing is going to happen to you. Daddy will make sure that you feel better, okay? Alright? Just hang in there. As long as I'm here, you'll be fine. I love you so much. Okay, it'll be fine. Hey. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay? Everything's gonna be Babe? Babe. Hey. Babe, why are you crying?
How are we supposed to raise 1.2 million naira? Tell me. How are we supposed to get 1.2 million naira when we can barely get 30,000 naira for our weekly medication? Tell me.
Baby. Look. We're going to get the money for her chemo. Okay? I promise we will. I know that my cab business isn't doing so well at the moment, and the money's not going to be enough. But look, before the end of the week, I'll get the money for her medication at least. Okay? Alright?
I'm tired. Eric, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do.
It's okay. Please, just
Emeka, tell me why.
listen to me.
Why my Cherish? Tell me, what has she done wrong?
Baby.
Why my baby? Tell me why.
Baby.
Why? Oh God. She's too small. She's too small for leukemia. Leukemia, what did she do to God? What?
Listen to me.
Why my baby? Leukemia. She's so small.
You can't do this in front of her.
Because she's so small for leukemia.
Baby, listen. You can't do this. You have to stay strong. Okay? You can't do this in front of her. You have to stay strong. Okay? I promise you. I'm going to get the money. I'll get the money. I'll do everything in my power. I'll get the money. Shh, baby. Shh. Baby, you have to stay strong for a little while. Okay? Shh, shh.
Cherish. I'm back.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Cherish, what are you drawing? What are you drawing? What are you drawing?
I'm trying Daddy, Cherish, and Mommy.
Wow, let me see. Oh, my daughter is so talented. My family. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, show me, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
And mommy.
Hi, Daddy.
And my cherish.
Look at Cherry.
Cherish! This is Cherish. Look at her cheeks here. And this cheeks here is here. Oh.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
we will live together forever.
Yes. Yes, my baby. Yes. We will live together forever. Okay?
Yes, Mommy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy, I like to be like Daddy when I grow up.
You want to be like your father?
Yes, Bobby.
Yes, my daughter. You will be like your father. Exactly like him or even more. He's a good man.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, my baby.
Mommy, I like to lick ice cream.
You want ice cream. So that's why you drew us, because you want to lick ice cream. Okay. Don't worry. I will call your daddy and he will buy us a big plate of ice cream. Is that okay?
Yes.
So,
Thank you, Mommy.
high five. Let's call daddy. Let's call daddy.
Hey, baby.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, my superstar. How are you feeling?
I am fine, Daddy. Daddy, I need ice cream.
Ice cream, huh?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, where's mommy?
Mom is here. Mom, take his Daddy.
Hey, baby.
Babe, you heard her. She said she wants ice cream. And can you get her some when coming home?
Yeah, I'll stop by and get it on my way back.
She will love it. Thank you.
How's her temperature?
She's better. Babes, guess what she's doing?
Drawing. What is she drawing?
Oga, can you focus on your driving? Which one you are making calls and driving?
Baby, I'm driving. I have to go. Okay, talk to you later.
I will tell you when you get home, okay? Bye, sorry.
I love you. Alright, bye.
Focus on your driving. If you want to make calls, park and make calls.
Okay,
No while driving.
Oga, sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I apologize, please. Sorry.
If you want to make call, you come down. You stop and make call. No while driving.
Sorry, Oga, sorry.
This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh, life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
Let me get the fucking my car. Yes. What? What is this?
Sir, I'm so sorry.
Bash my car.
I'm so sorry. It was a mistake. Please, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
It's a mistake, please.
It's a mistake.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Take this thing out of my car.
Shit.
Hey, give me the car key. Give me the car key.
Baba, I beg, I'm so sorry. I beg.
You are so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Give me the car key.
Boss, I beg now. The damage is not so much.
Can I have the car key?
Sir, hold on, please. Let's resolve this as adults, please. The damage is not too
don't want
much.
to give me the car key.
Sir.
Okay, don't worry. That money you think you have, you spend it in the police.
Boss.
No, don't worry.
Boss, I beg.
Don't worry. You
I
spend it.
beg. There's no need for that now.
Can I have the car key?
Boss, I beg.
Can I have the car key?
I beg. Let's just, bro. Please, boss, I beg, I beg. Look, I'll clean it. I'll clean it for you.
You clean it for me?
Yes. I'll have it fixed for you. I beg. Boss, no need to call anybody now, bros.
You bash my car.
Bros, no need to call anybody, please. Let's just resolve it, man to man. I beg, please. I beg now. Let's resolve this here. I beg. Bro, there's no... Bro, it's a mistake. It's a mistake.
I need 5 policemen in Jay's Blue apartment.
About 5
right
policemen
now.
It's a mistake now, please.
Yes.
Baby, time for your medicine.
Mommy,
Yes, madam.
what's wrong with me?
Baby, you're taking this medicine to get stronger. We need your bones to be stronger. We need you to be fine so that you will resume school. You want to resume school, right?
Yes, Mommy.
You want to see your friends.
Yes, Mommy.
So you have to take your medicine, okay? Babe. What? Police station? What happened? Okay, I'll be there. I'm coming there right now, okay? We have to just go, okay? Oh my god. What's this now? Oh.
This life is full of uncertainty. Life, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for stressing you like this. I was feeling a little overwhelmed by everything, and then I bashed. The guy insisted that I
Emeka,
should
that's
pay for
money. That money was meant for Cherish's medication. Look at what we have left. How are we supposed to get new ones? Tell me. What is all this rubbish? What is this temptation? What is... What is this?
Listen, just
Don't.
relax. Look, we'll find a way. Okay, I promise we'll find a way. I'll get her the medication tomorrow. I'll talk to Festus. I'll borrow some money from him.
I don't care how you do it. I don't care, okay? I don't care. Do whatever it is you have to do, but you have to raise money for my daughter. That medication has been sustaining. If anything should happen to my child, I will not survive it.
Babe,
I will not survive it.
Have some faith, please. All right, you have to stay positive, please.
Positive?
Yes. Okay, trust me. Nothing is going to happen to her.
Emeka, I do not care how you get the money, but you need to raise money for my daughter's chemotherapy.
I will.
You're just so careless. You just...
Babe, just relax, babe, relax.
Just
faith.
Just get out.
Guy, I need your help. That's why I'm here. My daughter, her medicine don't finish. And the money I keep to buy the medicine, I and my wife can use. Now she can use bail me for police station.
Station? What happened now?
I just mistakenly go scratch one guy car, and the guy come the vex. He say I must pay for damages. Come drag me go police station.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of problem be this?
I just tire from one problem to another. I beg, just help me. Anything where if you give me now, I go appreciate them. I beg, anything I'll pay you back. I beg.
Bro, I swear, 1 naira no go me like this. I swear. 1 naira. I don't feel like it. You know, I just paid my house rent last week here now. You know my landlord now.
Papa, now my girl health they talk about. I
Why
beg.
they talk like this now? You're picking up my picking. I will get and I will give you. I go run now if you day, no day. I just tell you now, I just paid my house rent last week. 1 naira, I swear. I don't feel like you now. You're picking na my picking guy. You know this.
Yeah, anything if you afford, anything at this
My
point, I
man,
beg.
that's me. I don't get 1 naira. I got the life for you. You're picking on my picking guy. Naira, you get. Guy, you're not too think calm. Everything will be okay.
I beg, any amount at this point. I would really appreciate it. Any amount, I beg.
Emeka, you dey doubt me now. See, I get this money I don't want to give you. 1 naira, I swear. No gum. I don't feel life for you. I got the life for you. Nothing there with me. My account, everything, 0.
I don't know where else to go. I really need money to buy my daughter's medicine. Please, this is not the time for blames, okay? Just, how much do you have? How much can you give? 20,000. 20,000. Okay, please. We'll manage. We'll use it and then figure a way to raise the remaining money. I'm really counting on you, please. Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cherish. This medicine.
I didn't get any money from Festus. Your mom, did she give you anything?
Just 20,000. How much were you able to get from work?
6,500.
Oh. God. God, what is all this? God, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, God? Why are you doing this to us? What have we done? What has my child done? Oh.
We're gonna find the money. Okay, we'll keep trying.
Trying.
We'll keep trying. Okay.
I got money now.
I don't tell you now, 3,002 I go buy this phone.
I got 3,000 today too small now. Look at the phone. Not those small crack you get for back. Oh.
Now old phone now, and this phone don't old.
It never old. See, he still they work. See, he still they work.
I know say still they work now. But
Oga, beg 3,000 to it's too small. It's too small. Do something, I beg. Now 5,000. I go reset this phone.
The 200 where I put them on top now, the 200 where I won't make it back because I don't know where they come from.
Well, just give me 5,000 for the phone.
5,000. I beg, try another person here.
Can
I? Take first. Try another person, I beg. Yeah. I know if you buy 5,000, I beg.
Oh God, wait, I beg. No problem, I go sell him.
3-2. And the last card where I get here, self, I they give you self. I don't know whether I go still go the bar where I won't go this evening, self.
Make I count the money first now. Oh God, you know even say make you put small thing.
Now the last card where I get now, I say make I give you. You decide you know they sell. Give me back my money now.
No.
Give me. Your SIM card.
I don't come out time.
Okay, thank you.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. life online. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold
Please take me to Johnson Avenue. Hello, my love. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, no, I just left the bank. Yes, in fact, I went to actually my first site and I finished and I'm heading towards the second site. I'm so sorry, I'll make it up to you. You know I love you. You see what will happen? As soon as I'm done, don't worry, I'll spoil you. I'll take you around the city. Yeah. My car broke down, so I'm in a taxi right now. Don't worry, like I said, I'll make it up to you. You know I can do now. You know I love you, right? Good, I'm glad you know that. Driver, I'm going to number 6, Johnson Avenue.
Okay, sir.
No, don't worry, just be patient. So what are you doing right now? Oh, really? Yeah, I don't like that movie, so you know we like when we come back we'll find something better that you and I both like. All right, my dear. I'll see you when I get back. So be prepared. Stay hungry and wear one of those outfits I like. All right. See you later. I love you.
This is going to be, it's coming to you. One. No. My car is coming to you. Cherish. Wait. Oh, it's coming to you. No. I'm going to come to your head.
Come to your head too.
My own head? Let's see whose head will go first. Okay. The wheels and the bus go round and round.
Just told the hair that he's faster, that he's going to run and he will win the race. The hair said no. Tortoise, you are too slow. That you walk very, very, very slow. Tortoise said, okay. Do you want us to do a competition?
Do you want us to do a competition?
Yes.
You want us to do a competition? Okay.
So, everyone in the animal kingdom, they came. They gathered together for the race. But did I do this part well? I think we should go to the salon, but it's okay. So everyone in the animal kingdom gathered together for the race. people this wicked? Why are people just wicked? How can you say no? A child's medicine, you are saying no. Oh, it's God that will judge you, this pharmacist. It's God that will judge you. And this is where I've been buying her medicine from. Just give me this medicine. When we get money, we'll pay you. We'll pay you. Babe, what is it? What happened? Hey, what happened? Eh? What happened? Jehovah.
1.7 million.
Hey, Jehovah. Hey, Chineke. God. Hey, Emeka. 1.7 million naira. Emeka, 1.7 million naira. 1.7 million. Jehovah. God. Hey, Jesus, thank you. Baba, God, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Hey, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. Emeka, God has done it. Emeka, God has answered our prayers. Emeka, can you see it? He said we should answer and he will answer us. He has answered. Emeka, we asked for 1.2 million. He has given us extra. He has given us 1.7 million. Hey, I knew it. You said you will not forsake me. Father, you have finally heard the cry of a mother. You wiped away my tears, Lord.
I'm returning the money.
Why?
It's not ours.
Emeka, what are you saying?
It's not ours. Okay? Babe, why would you even think about using this money? It's the same thing as stealing. Okay, it's not ours.
Let me understand something. If you are not going to use this money, why did you bring it here?
Did you expect me to deposit the money in a bank or go to a police station? Of course, I brought it home so I can think about the next move. Babe, please, we can't use this money.
You lie! You lie. Emeka, you heard me? You lie. You see this money that I am seeing, this money that is here, this money here. Emeka, we are going to use it for my daughter's chemotherapy. Emeka, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
No, what is wrong with you, babe?
Are you listening to your own self? Like, can you even hear yourself? Emeka, we have been praying. Have you seen me? I have not slept for this. I have been crying to God, praying to God, asking Him to provide money for my daughter's treatment. And you sit here. He has given us this money. And you tell me that we are not going to use the money? What kind of a husband have I married? Emeka, are you an enemy of progress? Are you an... Did they send you? No, tell me, did they send you? Babe,
how can you sleep well at night?
I will sleep.
No, my conscience will not let me sleep well at night. Okay?
Your conscience? Emeka, did you say conscience? Emeka,
You are still thinking of your conscience. When my child is in pain. My child is sick. She cannot go to school. We cannot take her to the hospital. We cannot afford her medication, and you sit here and tell me of your conscience. Ha! Mika, this is not normal. This is not normal. You see this money, Mika, this money that is here, it will not leave this house. This money will not leave this house. It will not cross this door. Over my dead body, will you carry this money? You want to return money that somebody has. Somebody forgot money in your car.
It's not our money.
Not ours. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Somebody left 1.7. He has a lot. That is why he forgot 1.7. We'll be begging God, asking him. This is not my husband. Emeka, this... Oh God, God of mercy. How did I marry this man? How did I marry you? No, this is not... Emeka, you need prayers. Father, this is not my husband. You need prayers. Father, you will not allow this man that they have sent. Oh God, you will not... Emeka, our child, our own baby. You talk about your conscience. Oh God, no. No. They have sent you. Emeka, they have sent you. They have covered your eyes. Emeka, they have covered your eyes. But the God that I serve, the God that has provided this money for us, He will not forsake me. He will not. He will never ever. Emeka, you want to return this money? No. Emeka, this is not clear. This is not clear.
This life is full of uncertainty. Life, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't.
What shall I say unto the Lord? All I have to say is thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say is thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. Why am I so happy? My darling, I'm happy because a few days from now you'll be fine and you won't have to take your medications again.
Yay!
Yay! Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
You are happy. Mommy is actually the happiest woman on earth.
Hey, honey.
Daddy.
Hey! How is my baby girl doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
Fine.
I'm fine.
And how's my other baby? You okay?
So I called Dr. Emmanuel earlier and he said Cherish can start chemotherapy. My love, I know you're a good man, and I also know you uphold good values. Please, we need to do this for our daughter's sake. Please, we can't let our daughter die. Please.
Okay.
Really? Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Baby, thank you. Thank you. Cherish is going to be fine.
Yeah.
She's going to be fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you so much.
I love you too.
This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh, life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh, life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
scatter. Yeah? It's okay. I'll take you to the hospital. You'll be fine. This is why I kept the money.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty.
Where's the money now?
Life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
Mommy, am I going to die?
Life, life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life.
Where is the money?
Why you do that kind of thing now? Carry that money, go return now. Why? You be Jesus. Now only Jesus will come and do that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Your pikin need that money for operation, you carry and go return now. Why?
Yeah, my conscience no go let me sleep for nights now.
Okay, now when your pikin die, go fit sleep for
Why
night.
you talk like? Why you go even talk that kind of thing? What you go do my daughter?
Which kind of thing be this?
See, what I need to do now to find the money.
Money we go just give you freely. How you think God will take give you money? He go fly, come down, come give you. The same person use and locate you, give you this money, go use and treat your pikin. You go return. You don't need that now.
I don't know why you dey talk like this. You just I need solution. I need the money. Forget that one. That one don't pass.
The only solution now as it stands now to go sell this car. Sell this car, go use and treat your pikin.
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Sell my car. Car where they use take feed my family, make I sell them.
Oh.
I don't understand you. Guy, see, what I need from you, just give me person, if you give me like 600k. At least doctor don't say if I bring 600k, they will start the treatment.
600 guinea. You know they. I don't get. The one way God give you, what you use and do? You carry and go through where? For bush. They said, man, look for person who will give me 600,000 for this kind of time. Guy, and I lie you. I don't get. You know they. I beg. Can they just money don't go return anyhow? I beg.
Come on, have your bath. Let's go to the pharmacy. Cherish. 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 What is it, Mama? Mama. Cherish.
What's going on? Baby, are you okay?
It's okay.
Let's take her to the
You'll
hospital.
be fine, okay?
Get the car key.
Cherish, go.
We need to start her chemotherapy in less than 20 hours. Hope you've made the payment.
Not yet, but you can start the procedure. Okay, I'll get the money.
Yes.
No, it's not done that way. At least her payment needs to be done.
Before the procedure.
Doctor, we know. I promise you, we know. And we're going to pay. But doctor, please, we're talking about my daughter's life, doctor. Please, just start. I beg you, just start. We're going, my husband will get the money. Please.
I'm sorry, this is hospital's policy from time immemorial and I can't change it. Excuse me.
Doctor, please. Doctor, please, I beg you. Doctor, please, just help us. Doctor, please. Doctor, please, just help me save my daughter, please.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The truth is that I am buying this car because of the condition of your daughter. I know you really need the cash.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your cup.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard.
Nurse, please, this is 24,500. Just help me take this, register it, let the doctor see so he can start treatment. Please take.
I'm sorry, madam. The doctor asked me to collect half of the payment, and this is not up to the amount. Please excuse me.
Nurse, please just do this now. Nurse, I know, just start now. You wish you help me too. I just managed to get this money, nurse. Doctor, please. But I was able to get this amount of money, 24,500. I've been begging your nurse to collect it. Doctor, please, let's just start the treatment. Doctor.
I got the money. I got 50K.
Yes, doctor, take. Let us start the treatment. Doctor, we are wasting time. Let us start now. Let us start.
We are now.
Doctor!
I'm sorry.
Doctor, we'll get the remaining money. Just start now, please. Just start the treatment first, please.
We tried all we could. Couldn't say that. We lost her. Take heart. Okay. Put yourself together. Okay.
Hold on a sec. You lost her? Like, did she walk out of this hospital?
No, we tried all we could, but we couldn't. We lost her. Just
Doctor.
pull yourself together, okay?
Doctor.
Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Show my daughter! Where's my daughter?
Doctor, my daughter.
Where is she right now?
Take heart, please. You're a
My
man.
daughter.
Just be a man.
I'm calm. I'm okay. I just need you to take me to my daughter right now.
Just be a man, okay?
Cherish cannot die, mommy. Cherish cannot be dead. No, Cherish cannot leave your mother. Jesus. I want to die. I want to die. No. Oh, my baby. No, my baby cannot go. No. Mommy, my daughter cannot be dead. No. It's okay. It's okay.
God will give you many more.
I don't want one. I want my daughter. I want my Cherish. Oh God, no. Mommy, I want my Cherish. Cherish cannot go. Oh, mommy, where's my baby? Mommy, where's my baby? Mommy, where's my baby girl? Mommy, where's my baby girl? Mommy, where's my baby girl? Mommy, where's my baby girl?
Listen to me. God will give you many more. Please cry. Stop crying.
I want my daughter. I want my daughter, mommy. I want my daughter. I want my baby. Mommy. No, mommy, my baby cannot be dead. Mommy, my baby cannot be dead. Baby cannot be dead. Baby. Please give me my daughter, please. Please bring my daughter, please. Bring my daughter, mommy, my daughter. Mommy, my child. It's okay.
okay.
No. Mommy, my cherish is not good. No. No, Jesus. No. No, he doesn't know the best. He doesn't know the best. Okay. Oh, my God doesn't know best. Mommy, please bring my baby for me, please. Bring my baby for me. And I can bring my daughter, please. Bring my daughter back, please. Please, thank you. Bring my baby for me. I want my daughter. I want my daughter, please. My daughter. Bring my daughter, please. Mommy.
It's okay. It's okay. God will provide.
No.
Many more children for you.
No.
Okay?
Mommy, I don't want to know that. Mommy, I want my baby. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, God, what did I do? What did I do?
This is the food. She has refused to eat. Please talk to her.
Please. Try and eat something. Okay? Please. Remember, you have ulcer. Please just try and eat. Okay?
I wonder if my daughter has eaten. What is she doing? Is she running temperature? Is she playing?
Come on, Benita. She's gone. You have to accept it.
Baby. She wouldn't want to see you like this. You know that. You know that she would not want to see you starve. Please. Just eat, please. I don't want to see. I don't want you to fall sick, please. Okay? Please.
You succeeded. You succeeded in killing my daughter.
Please. Don't talk like that. I'm not responsible for her daughter.
Murderer!
I'm not responsible for her death, please.
Murderer! That is what you are.
I know that we're grieving right now. Okay, this is too much.
You returned the money!
Babe.
You killed my child! You killed my daughter! You killed my child! You killed my daughter! You killed my child! You
you return the money? Why? You killed my granddaughter. You killed my granddaughter. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Why tell him to go? Don't tell him to leave. You killed my daughter. You killed my child, Mommy. No! Get out! Mommy, tell him to get out. Get out! Get out! Get out! Leave! Get out! Leave! Get out! Go! Leave! 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 Get out of here! Leave! 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 Go! Go! Mommy, want my daughter. Mommy, want my daughter.
I'm trying, Daddy, cherish and Mommy. Mommy, I'd like to be like Daddy when I grow up. Mommy,
Sweetie,
we will live together forever.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
Listen, give me potato 200. That's Benita. She's the one. ₦100. Benita! Oh my God, Benita! Oh my God, it's you! Benita, so this is you! I've searched everywhere. Benita, what happened? Oh my God, this is really bad. What about Emeka?
I heard you guys got married and you have a child. Benita. Our daughter is dead. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. She died a few months ago. Benita, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't possibly imagine the pain you're going through now. Daughter is dead. Your daughter is dead. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Benita, I've been trying your life. It wasn't going through at all. I even saw Tony the other day. I was telling him about how brilliant you are in school. You know, you were one of the best graduating students in school now. Tried your line, nothing. Benita, I'm really sorry about the loss of your child. I mean, if I'd met you earlier, this wouldn't have happened.
Just look at me. Look at what life has turned me into. It's okay. I've been trying my best to move on. But it's not easy.
Sorry.
It's not easy.
I know, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. I understand how it feels to lose a child. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry this happened to you. You know what? Don't worry. I'll introduce you to real estate, okay? You do that? Yes. You're my friend, okay? I'm sorry this happened to you. I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much.
Please don't cry.
Thank you so much.
Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay, alright?
Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you for me.
It's okay. Alright? Please stop crying.
No.
I don't want to see those tears in your eyes again, alright? I'm here now. I'm here for you now, okay? Alright? So sorry. Don't cry, alright? Please be strong. I know it's not easy. It's not easy to lose a child, I know. Just try and be strong, okay?
Thank you.
Alright? Be fine. I'll call you later, alright?
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Take care. Don't cry again. I don't want to see tears in your eyes.
I'll be fine.
this is too much. All these for clothes and transportation. Oh, no.
It's okay.
It's okay. God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you for me.
Amen. It's okay.
This company, they're very serious about their services. And they may require you to do some certain things before you resume. So you can use this money and sort out those things. And if it's not enough, just let me know, okay?
Amen.
God will bless you abundantly.
Amen. It's
You
okay.
replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know you're my friend, alright? It's okay.
Thank you. I really can't believe this. I don't even... Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, Benita. It's okay, alright?
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
Babe, your food.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again. Life, life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full.
Congratulations, Benita.
Thank
you. I'm so happy for you. You just hit your first millions, and I am sure that more are to come. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you, Amen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All these wouldn't have been possible if not for your unflinching help.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just wish my daughter was here. She would have been so happy. And I would have given her the world.
I'm sure wherever she is, she's so proud of you. Just be happy and forget about the past, okay? Come on, smile for me now. See, let's cheers, okay? To more life and more happiness.
And bigger deals.
Bigger deals.
This big house. Come. Are you the one that is living here? Is this your house? Help! Oh God, I am so proud of you, my daughter. Look at this big house.
Mommy, it's my house. I'm staying here.
God, oh, I thank God. I know that you will make me proud. I know.
Mommy, let us go inside. Okay?
Security. Where is it? Security to bring out my luggage now.
No, don't worry. Emeka will handle it. Let's just go in.
Emeka? Emeka again? Hi! You and this Emeka again. What is Emeka doing here? I regret the day that boy came for your hand in marriage. Did he use something to tie you?
Mommy, please.
Eh?
You just come in. Just go in, freshen up, and let me prepare something for you to eat, okay? Just...
Mommy. Welcome, Ma. My wife didn't mention you're coming today.
Who is your mommy? Do I look like your mother? How? Do I look like that your dirty, ugly, useless mother of yours? Eh?
Ma, did I do something wrong? What's going on?
Emeka, get her luggage from the trunk.
Ma, but you didn't have
Did
to
you
speak
not hear
about
what my daughter
mother
said? Did you not hear what my daughter said? Go and get my luggage from the car. And you have to be very, very careful. It's very expensive and fragile. You see, concentrate on the hand. The hand, Mommy, if anything happens. Go. I said go now. Go. Sophia, what? Hell.
Emeka is more like an errand boy in this house. And he dare not complain because he knows exactly what he did to me. He will continue to pay for his actions until I get tired. After that, I'll get rid of him.
I am scared. You may start having soft spot for him. You know men and their scheming powers. He's gallivanting around this house. Before you know it, he's scheming his way back into your life.
Won't you trust your daughter again? Mommy, what I feel for that man is nothing but pure hatred. I don't love him anymore. I just want to frustrate his life so that he can feel the pains I went through.
Now I understand why he is still here. My daughter, don't worry. I will make him feel so much heat that it will become so unbearable for him.
I don't care what you do to him.
Why is my car dirty? Look at it. Why is it dirty?
Babe, I thought you...
You thought what? Answer me. I am the one working and providing for this house. Do you think it's easy to make money? I go out every day to provide for you and this house. And the little thing you can do just to help me wash the car, you cannot do it.
Babe, I always wash your car. Okay, I just thought that since your mom is around, that you may not want to go to work early.
Why wouldn't I go to work early? If I don't go to work early, how will I feed you and my mother? Mr. Man, wash this car and get it done with. Hurry up with it. Dummy. Rubbish. You better hurry up. Some of us have serious work to do.
Emeka! Emeka! Where is this stupid boy? Eh? Where is this stupid boy? Emeka!
Mommy, what's the problem?
Who is your mommy? Let me warn you. For the last time, for the record, I am not your mother. I am not your mother. I'm not that your useless, dirty, ugly woman. Don't call me your mother again. Now go and get me juice. Make it chill. I want chill, cold one.
Wait. Is that why you called me? Because you want juice?
I don't understand. What are you in this house? Eh? Tell me, answer me.
Ma, for the record, I am your son-in-law, not your houseboy.
Hey! Son-in-law. Eh? Like this. You are just deceiving yourself. Son-in-law. The son-in-law. Son-in-law, my foot. Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're following a woman up and down, living in a woman's house. Come on, go and get me juice. Don't look like I will draw it for you, son-in-law. Get out!
What's going on here?
I don't know. See me, oh. Is it not this stupid? I don't know whether it's a houseboy or a houseman that you brought to this house. Only to go and get me juice to drink. He's here exchanging words with me. Eh? He's here exchanging words with me. Even remaining for him to fight me, your mother. Hey, my son. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
Benita, you came with a visitor. Welcome.
Mom, this is Julius, my boyfriend. Yes, my mom.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mom.
Welcome, my son-in-law. Hi, Julius, a very nice name.
We have to go in now, okay?
Take him inside. Take him inside. You're welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Go around there. Oh. Oh. You see a tall man. Eh? Look at the You're shorting, Jim. You are disturbing my daughter, brother. Go and see. We'll check whether they need something upstairs and get me my juice. Are you still there? Go before I will use this thing and stone your head. Go, get out. You serve them.
You're so silly. Are you for real? Oh, of course I'll miss you. Of course.
Sure?
Yes, I'll miss you. Don't worry. I'll make sure I come back tomorrow, okay?
I'll be expecting you. You know, a day without you makes me feel empty.
See you. No problem.
Alright, let me go. Take care.
You too.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Bye.
So it has gotten to this. You now bring men into our home.
This is my house, and I can do whatever I damn well please.
I am still your husband.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me again.
Baby, you are still my wife, okay? Bringing a man into our home? I mean, you're already treating me like a slave. Come on, that should be the height of it.
If you can't take it, then get out of my house.
Babe, I know that I'm still asking for your forgiveness, but please, don't bring a man into our home.
Excuse me.
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty.
Emeka, your wife is doing too much. Yes. Bringing a man home frequently is not a good way to get back at you. It's too much now.
Do you know why I'm not letting these things get to me? It's because of my daughter. My wife is yet to forgive me for everything that happened. But I love her. I love her regardless of...
What is going on here? What is going on here?
Good afternoon.
Mommy.
Have I not warned you before not to call me mommy? Do I look like your mommy, Emeka? Stop calling me your mother. I'm not your miserable mother. Eh? My daughter's expensive drink. So you have the guts to bring out my daughter's expensive drink and offer to your friend? This miserable looking haggard thing. Okay, I am talking here. Still drinking. You're drinking. Eh?
What kind of rubbish is this?
Hey, shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth. Look at you. You came to my daughter's house and then they offer you drink here. You are drinking a space.
Why are you embarrassing me like this? What's the...
Embarrassing you when you cannot afford anything like... See, by the time I will come out here, this one, you get out from this compound now. And these chairs you brought out here, you return them inside. Best of the same feathers. Lazy men, you sit at home to drink.
Emeka, this woman is really crazy. She is going mad. Guy, how do you cope now? See, you need to leave this marriage. Else they will continue treating you like a piece of garbage. I'm out. See you later.
Did you knock?
No, I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself. My mom told me the washing machine is faulty.
Okay, I'll call Jules to come and check it.
That won't be necessary. Julius traveled.
Oh.
Yeah, so you have to get someone. I don't care how you do it, just look for anybody. But mind you, if you eventually bring anybody into this house, a random person, and he spoils my washing machine, you will do the laundry with your bare hands. In the meantime, I have dirty clothes here and some in the bathroom. Go and wash the clothes.
Babe. Don't you think you've punished me enough? I'm really sorry about our daughter.
Sorry won't bring back my child.
Yeah, I know that sorry won't bring her back, but at least it's going to be a start, right? Please.
I'm Gina, your neighbor. Hello. Hi.
Can you just leave me alone, please?
Okay. I was only concerned. What is it? You don't look good. I'm your neighbor. I live in the other flat.
Do you know anyone that can fix a washing machine?
A washing machine? How much is it? Really? Okay, fine. Don't worry. I'm coming to see.
Hi.
I'll call you back. Just a minute.
Gina, right?
Yeah, Gina.
Well, I want to say thank you for helping me out, even though I was very rude to you.
It's okay.
Yeah, thanks.
The guy was able to fix it, right?
Yeah, sure.
That's fine.
Thanks.
Okay. Excuse me. Why did you let her treat you that way? I mean, you both are supposed to be husband and wife. Why does she treat you the way she does?
Excuse me.
This life is full of uncertainty. Life,
This is going to be. It's coming.
at times
It's coming
life
to you.
throws at
Alright?
us things that are so
My guy is coming to you. Cherish. Wait. Oh, it's coming to you. No. I'm going to come to your head. My own head? Let's see whose head will go first.
At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on, don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on.
I miss her too, you know? I miss her every day. She was our source of happiness. But my actions took her away from us. Benita, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really, really sorry.
I had miscarriages 3 times. God finally blessed us with a child. But you snatched her from me. You took away my happiness. You expect me to forgive you?
Oh wait, I know it won't be easy to earn your forgiveness, but I'll wait. You're my wife, and I love you.
Good night.
Hold on. You mean Benita is cheating on you?
Yes. Please, help me talk to her. Okay, I love my wife. I love her so much and I don't want to lose her. But the pain she's causing me right now is too much.
I'll talk to her. She can't continue to mistreat you this way. You're a good man.
Thank you. Please help me talk to her. I really miss her.
I'll talk to her. I know she will listen to me. What about her mother, Auntie Priscilla? Isn't she advising her?
She blames me for everything.
Are you serious?
She said I'm responsible for everything that happened. But I'm only tolerating her because of my wife.
I will talk to her, okay? I will talk to her.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll talk to her. I know she will listen to me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's fine.
How dare you? Who gave you the right to talk to MM about me?
Because I need her to talk to you.
Why? It is my life, not yours. And I can do whatever I want to do with it. It doesn't concern you.
No. It concerns me. It concerns me because we are married, for goodness sake. You are my wife. Okay? It's my responsibility to correct you when you're wrong.
I swear to God, Emeka. I swear with everything I have, if your actions affect my job again, I will use everything within my power to make sure you rot in jail.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Are you okay? What's the problem? Emeka, what is it?
I just need someone to talk to. Because we loved each other so much. And we've been with each other for so many years. We're so happy. So happy and inseparable. But everything changed. Everything changed when our daughter died.
My God. I'm so sorry you had to go through all that. No wonder your wife is always sad. I mean, who could blame her? If I may ask, what happened to your child?
Leukemia.
Leukemia?
Yeah. And my wife blames me for our daughter's death.
Why?
I was once a taxi driver. And one day, I accidentally found money in my car. I took it home. I showed it to my wife. And she was happy because it was a huge amount of money for us to start treatment. Our daughter's chemo treatment. But my conscience, my conscience wouldn't let me keep the money, so I returned it. I returned it. And then a few days later, my daughter's condition became worse. And then we needed money to take her to the hospital. I had to sell my car to raise the money for her chemo treatment. I did everything. But my daughter still died.
That's so sad. I'm so sorry to hear that. It's okay. I understand your wife's anger. Maybe she feels betrayed.
miss my daughter. I miss her so much. I miss my little girl. Like, I miss my daughter so much. I miss her so much. I miss Cherry so much. I miss Cherry so much. Like, I wonder what she's doing right now. I wonder how she's coping. I wonder how she's surviving. I wonder how she's doing without her daddy. Like, how is my little girl doing? Where is she right now?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry about this.
I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to do this in front of you. I apologize for crying like this in front of you.
It's fine. It's fine.
I am truly in pain. I am going through so much.
It's fine. It's fine. Come here. It's okay. It's fine.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. It's
I'm
fine.
really sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. Okay? It's good the way you are letting that emotion out. I mean, you're talking about it. So that's a huge step. Okay?
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the dark, the light will shine again.
Hey! Where are you going? Did you keep anything there? I'm asking you. Eh? Did you keep anything there? No, I'm asking you, Emeka. Did you keep anything up there? Leave us alone now. Why are you still reminding us of that which we are trying to forget? Eh? Emeka, leave my daughter alone. Leave us alone. Ha! Mom, kill you there.
I love my wife so much, and I'll never give up on her.
Love. But she does not love you. Eh? Why are you forcing the love on her? She doesn't love you anymore. Emeka, leave us. Go back to the gutters where you belong. She doesn't love you anymore. Eh? Wake up. Emeka, wake up and smell the coffee.
Mom, if my wife told you she doesn't love me, then you're being deceived. Because clearly, she's still in love with me. She's just in pain. And when that pain fades away, she'll come back to me.
We will see about that. Emeka, we will see about that. Look at him, idiot. Keep deceiving yourself now. Ewu. I want you to divorce Emeka. Yes, divorce him. He doesn't deserve to be called your husband. Just because you are doing fine, he has chosen not to find a job for himself. He's completely useless. Divorce him. Divorce him, my daughter, so that you can completely be free from him. You don't need him in your life. Remember how Cherish died.
You're right, Mom. He took away the most important person in my life. If not for him, my daughter would be here, running around this big house. He deprived her from having a bright future.
Yes, you are right. Divorce him right away.
I'll do it.
That's my girl. This is the only way I can separate them forever.
I'm telling you, I was so pleased to see. Yes, I know. So when you
for?
I did. So
Take it easy, baby.
Come.
I shall meet you
Yes.
Oh, you're back.
Yes.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening, Julius. Hey.
Yes,
Oh, see your chin, Mama. Hey, take him. Go and enjoy yourself. Look at you. I told you, you're wasting your time here. Go and pack your things and leave my daughter alone. You will not hear. Look at nonsense thing you bought. You bought flour. Who buys original flour that is inside the bag? You did not see those ones that are like this. That is what people give to their wives. You bought one cheap. By the way, where did you get the money that you bought that thing from? I hope you did not steal my daughter's money. I will go and check my own purse. Let it not be that you have stolen any person's money. You even dress. Which day did you start wearing jeans? You even went to wear jeans. Where did you get that one from? Is it your Christmas clothes? Stupid boy. Keep wasting your time. Go and put that nonsense inside the bin when you are done. Stupid thing. Where is my remote? Nonsense.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Why can't you forgive him and move on with your marriage?
Do you think it's that easy? He's the reason I lost my only daughter.
Then why are you doing this?
I want him to feel every single pain he made me feel.
From the look of things here, you are the one hurting more. You still love your husband. You know, there would always be a time when hatred and bitterness has to be suspended.
I don't love him.
You should stop with the pretense before you completely lose your husband for good. He's a good man. Yes, he's a good man. Despite knowing that you have a boyfriend. A fake boyfriend, I suppose. He's still willing to fix your marriage. You should stop all this.
I won't. I will not forgive him. He must feel the pains he made me feel.
Then I can't be part of your lies anymore. I can't keep hurting an innocent man.
Innocent? You call him innocent? That man murdered my child. He killed my baby and you sit here and call him innocent.
Benita, come on. I understand your pains. It's all in the past, okay? Besides, what happened wasn't his fault. The money wasted wasn't his for the—
Get out! Get out of my house and I don't want to ever set my eyes on you again.
I will leave your house. But I want you to know that your husband still loves you.
Leave! Get out!
I just hope it don't get too late before you realize this.
Get out. Get out of my house!
I will leave. I just hope it doesn't get too late before you realize that—
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Benita, ngwa. The hour has come. Where are you? Come and bring the divorce paper. Let me go and serve him by myself. He must leave by tomorrow morning. Where? Benita. Benita, come. Where is this girl? In the back. Benita. This boy must leave this house. Since she doesn't want to serve this thing quick, I will do it by myself. Come and bring this divorce letter. Eh? Good for nothing boy. He must leave this house. Benita!
I'm not having this child. I don't want to be a mother.
So, what are you suggesting? Abortion?
Yes.
No. Are you out of your mind?
What are you expecting? That I should have this baby?
We'll find
Never!
another solution. Okay, fine. Something else. Definitely not abortion. Are you joking?
Are you being serious right now?
Are you expecting anyone?
No. I'll get the door. But mind you, I'm not keeping this child. I am definitely aborting this baby.
Emeka, you got another woman pregnant. You have a wife, and you dare sleep with another woman? After all the pain you've caused me, I hate you. I hate you so much.
Look, whatever I'm doing right now is as a result of your actions and negligence. You pushed me. You pushed me away. What did you expect? You and your mother treated me like I was a nobody. Do you know the pain I went through seeing you with another man?
You took away my child. You took away my cherish. And you have the nerve to stand here and talk?
Anita, I was hurt too. Okay, I was hurt. I lost the woman I loved the day that our daughter died. Yes, I understand that. Do you know how many times, day and night, do you know how many times I thought about ending it all?
You should have ended it all. You should have killed yourself than see your face. Would have caused me so much pain. If only you had listened to me. If only you didn't return that money, my daughter would be here with me. You killed her. You killed my cherish. And you deserve everything I am putting you through.
Yeah, I know I deserve everything. But what I don't deserve is you sleeping around.
I have never slept with anyone else. I couldn't do it. Julius is just somebody I hired to hurt you. I couldn't do it, okay? I couldn't. I tried so much to hate you, but I could not because I still love you. But you? What did you do? The little opportunity you got, you started messing around with that girl.
I didn't do it. if you don't mind me asking, why are you single? I mean, a beautiful and classy lady like yourself, you should be married, or at least you should be in a relationship.
Who says marriage is all about beauty? Well, I used to be in a relationship, yes, but I left.
Why?
He wanted commitment, and I was not ready for that.
Weird.
Weird?
Yeah, I mean, most women love the idea of marriage. It's very strange that you don't.
Well, for me, I feel like marriage is overrated. I mean, if I could have my way, I would remain single forever. Forever.
Well, I can't really judge you.
Mm-hmm. You can't judge me.
And the pregnancy?
It's not mine. Hey, are you okay?
I think I'm pregnant. I think I'm pregnant. God. How did it happen? Ruben. Oh my God. Ruben, oh my God. No.
Calm down. Calm down.
How can I be calm?
Relax. Okay. Calm down.
Ruben.
Just calm down.
It's not true. I'm not pregnant, right?
We don't know for sure, but just calm down, okay?
Ruben, God. No, I'm not.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Relax. Relax. Okay.
Ruben, how can you do this to me? Oh no. Ruben, no, it's no.
Cherish wanted us to live together forever. She also wanted to be like you when she grows up. She drew this. This is you, me, and her. Oh. She loved you so much. You were a hero.
I miss her. I miss her so much. I'm so stupid. You know, I actually picked being a good person over my daughter's life. Babe. I know sorry is not going to bring her back. But this sorry is going to bring my wife back. I'm sorry. I am so sorry for everything.
No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I blamed you for our daughter's death. I'm sorry I blamed you for taking the right decision.
It's okay.
Jerry should have been proud of you. I know.
She would have been proud of you too. I'm sorry. Okay, I am truly sorry.
I miss her so much.
Me too.
I miss her so much.
Me too.
This my daughter, eh? Ugbo.
Good morning, beautiful. Rise and shine. Good morning, baby. Get up, get up, get up. I made you breakfast. Yeah.
You did what?
Yes, I made you breakfast. I miss my wife so much. Was it to make you? There you go.
You still have it in you, don't you?
Of course.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Yeah, about Gina. What does she want to do with the pregnancy?
She said she wants to abort it.
I'm aware you're pregnant. I'm equally aware you want to abort the child. But I'm here to plead with you. Please, do not terminate this pregnancy. Babies are blessings from God. And killing such a blessing it's not exactly a virtue.
I'm not fit to be a mother. My decision is irrevocable.
Please, Gina. Give birth to this child and hand it over to me. I promise I will give her the world. Gina, she will never lack. He or she will never lack. I know what it's like to lose a child. I've lost one. And I almost lost myself in the process. This child you're trying to terminate it's my earnest desire. Unfortunately, I cannot carry a child. Gina, please. Please. This will be the greatest favor. This... Please.
Babe,
Yeah.
I'm thinking of giving this to an artist to do something nice, you know?
No. This is beautiful. I love it like this.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. We cherish this. Once you give it to somebody else, it loses its originality. Yeah. No artist would draw this better than my daughter. I mean, look at the head.
Oh, you're right. Come in. Good evening, ma.
Benita, I want to talk to you.
Mommy, you have to talk to me later. I'm having a conversation with my husband.
I want to talk to you now. He can leave.
No, he will not leave. You will have to leave. Sorry.
It's okay.
She'll come around, don't worry.
Yeah. Babe, what's going on with your mom? Why does she want to see us?
Guess we'll find out.
Cherish died. You died with her. All love was lost. Just like the Bible says, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
Life, life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that...
Just like these glasses are filled with the same drink, so shall your union be filled with one love. And no man born of a woman will separate you. Emeka, my son, please forgive me for all the times I treated you like a slave. Please. I am so sorry, my daughter. Please. From this moment, I am going to leave you to continue with your life. I will never interfere in your marriage again. Please. Please, my son.
No,
forgive me.
Mom. Please, it's okay. It's okay. It's not
Forgive me, my son.
It's okay, Mom. Okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, Mom. Please. It's okay. Please tell her it's okay, Mom. It's fine.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm happy you're forgiving me.
It's okay, Mom. Please. It's really not. Okay. Sorry.
Hey.
It's okay. okay, Mom. I was really scared at first because I didn't understand, but it's okay.
Can we drink this?
Yeah, we're one family.
Is this still an experiment?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mom?
Drink my son.
No.
This is for us. For us.
Like, it's okay. Please. It's okay.
I thought about what you said. I'll do it. I'll keep the pregnancy.
Thank you so much. Gina, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Careful. She's so tired.
Right.
I'm so tired too. Baby, please, can you get me juice, please?
Of course. Alright, so let me give you the beer. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Is it?
Yeah. Don't worry, I got this.
Yikes.
Careful. She wants to just sleep. Okay. Oh, God. Someone is hurt. Babe?
Almost here?
Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard. Life, oh life. This life is full of uncertainty. Life, oh life. At times life throws at us things that are so hard, but please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up. After the night, the sun will shine again. Please hold on. Don't give up.